Alrighty, everybody, it is Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you the best platforms to go ahead and list your properties and get the best results from to sell more land this year. Now, if you're looking for tips and tricks and strategies about land investing, be sure to subscribe, as I'm going to be dropping new videos every day so you can really blow up your land business. And also stop by the landflippingformula.com. I have a completely free audio over there sharing how you could buy and sell raw land and create passive income with my strategies. So starting off, I feel like I have to mention LandWatch just because it's the big daddy of the land platforms here. Here is the downside to LandWatch. If you're not listing tons of properties, you will just get drowned out in here. So if you're a newbie and you have, 1, 2, 3 properties, stay away from LandWatch. I'm going to share a couple better strategies for you. But as you become a bigger fish, without a doubt, you want to hold a presence on LandWatch and get all your listings on there. And people will quickly notice your name on there and start buying your properties. The next one, Land & Farm, which I believe had a merger with LandWatch. Don't quote me on that, but I have had good results on Land & Farm. It's a little bit smaller and a little easier to navigate. And I think, this platform versus LandWatch, it doesn't scare clients away. They're able to navigate through, find cheap properties that they're looking for if you're in the wholesale business, and you can really get things sold. Now, for you newbies in the marketplace here, and even advanced sellers, Craigslist, without a doubt, is the place to be. Now, the trick with Craigslist is wherever you own land, list it anywhere within the U.S. on Craigslist and run 3 or more ads per day, but you're going to have to use a couple different email addresses. Personally, I only do 3 ads, but I know people that do dozens, and they just run multiple accounts doing that. But Craigslist, you will get tons of results. You'll get tons of crazy people hitting you up as well, but that just comes with the territory, especially when using a free platform. The next one that you can get results from, this strategy has actually changed on this platform a little bit, but eBay, you can still get results on here. Right now, I would recommend setting up a squeeze page and running classified ads on eBay, because you can mention your website on there, and I would have your website be a squeeze page. And all you're going to do on eBay is collect people's email information, because they seem to be a little gun shy about closing deals on eBay. But if you capture their email address and follow up with them through email marketing, they will become clients of yours without a doubt. And believe me, stay tuned. I'm going to share with you a cool strategy about building your list and how you can really warm them up and get them buying your properties. The next one is Instagram. Look, Instagram's free. Everybody's using it. It's not going to be a huge conversion platform for you, but what it will do is give brand recognition. So if they find you on other platforms and then they'll see you on Instagram, and make sure you're engaging with people on Instagram, that's what's going to bring in the conversion in the end. Now, personally, I'm really not using Instagram right now. We're going to get into the platforms that I'm really using is YouTube. I'm real big about leveraging YouTube right now, building multiple channels out here. And the big thing with YouTube is figuring out how to do paid ads. That's what I've really been studying and trying to get good at, so I could go ahead and expand my business. Me personally, paid advertising to websites directly, email lists, YouTube have been my big focus over the past year, but that is slightly more advanced there. If you're new, like I said, focus on Craigslist and start building it up. The next one, running Bing ads. Bing ads are super affordable, so it's totally worth doing. And what I've done is just on my one website, rawlandinvestments.com, I just create these little text ads through Bing, send traffic over to rawlandinvestments.com, and we get great conversions on that. This next platform, I'm actually in the testing phase. I have received hits on it, so there is traffic there, but I have not had a conversion. But I did just start on here, and this is Landmodo. I think this is owned, I know it's owned by Scott Todd, and Mark Podolsky might have a hand in on it too. I don't know for sure. But I went with his, I signed up on here and did the platinum membership. I figured if we're going to do it, let's do the top tier and see if it's worth making the investment in. So like I said, I'm still new on the platform. I can't give you a solid results disclosure or whatever yet, but or solid review. But as of right now, I have received hits. So far, so good. Now, the next one, this is going to be slightly advanced, but not really advanced. And I'm on Landpin right now. I'm not necessarily recommending Landpin because I've never had a conversion on this platform when I was advertising on here. But you see all these different investors here? If you went and just put together a list of all of them, just, if you can't find their email address on here, go to their websites, which you would be able to find through here, and find their email address that way, and just reach out to them. Ask them how big their email list is and what they would charge you for an email drop. And what an email drop is, say they have 2,000 subscribers on their list, and you put together an ad for one of your properties, and you said, hey, Hemingway Land Company, you have 2,000 subscribers. How about I send you $150 and you blast this property out to your subscribers? Would you do that for me? And they're either going to be in or out. Look, people are all about making money. And if they have the resource sitting there, there's no reason for them to not lease their list to you per se. And if they send it through their software, they're not actually handing you the list, then I think it's all okay. And their subscribers would not get upset at all. Now, the next one is really important. And you don't have to use lead pages. There's other software called ClickFunnels. There's a couple others out there too. Lead pages is my personal favorite, and you could just build a simple opt-in page. And what you can do with this is run paid traffic to it. That's typically what I do. But you could also do it through Craigslist. You just got to be a little tricky. You could do it through Instagram as well. And you want to get people that are interested in land to subscribe and throw a free promotion out there. We give away, a solar charge or a book about investing, whatever the case is. Give people a reason to opt in, and then every 30 days, give away 2 or 3 books or 2 or 3 solar chargers to keep things interesting. But in the meantime, you're going to consistently market to the people that have came to you on your lead pages or ClickFunnels platform, and warm up that list, and then you're going to be able to sell them properties. And one other trick that has worked really well for me, but I totally suck at the execution of this, is running Facebook ads to a lead pages opt-in page. I actually hired a guy out of Tampa to do this for me. I think I paid him like $1,500, but he got me like 2,000 subscribers. So it was totally worth the investment to me. So that, once again, this is a little more advanced. So if you're new to the business, it might not be the time right away, but as you build up, find great marketers that know how to do Facebook ads or YouTube ads, whatever, and hire them for their services if you're not good at it by doing it yourself. This will totally speed up the process, give you a healthy list that you can warm up, and then just really start promoting whatever deals you own to these subscribers. So that is my tips for the top platforms. If you're new, start on Craigslist. And as you begin to advance, make sure you're getting a presence on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, paid traffic, and just keep building out. Believe me, this business is totally worth it. It generates tons of cash flow once you get it up and running and you get it streamlined. So if you have any questions about the land investing business, be sure to comment below. I will create a video answering your questions for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.